Yeah, there's my mother pulling up the house. Or well, sorry, it's Lindsay.
This is gonna be funny shit!
She's backing up. Oh, look, there's my mom. Hi, Mommy. Let's wave. Hi, Mom. Hi, Mom. Is she waving? No, she's looking at us like we're idiots. Okay, now let's get a little bit closer for the action. Sorry, I can't
It's
get much
called
closer.
Zoom, you idiot.
I forgot my camera had zoom. Thank you to the, oh, and there's my mom. What is she doing?
Mama!
I see Lindsay doing something. Are they getting out? Oh, what's going on? What's going on?
She told me she fucking bought me something fast.
Oh, she's getting out of the car.
Struggling.
And there she is. Wave.
Hi, Mommy!
She's looking at us like we're idiots. She waves. Okay, now what is she putting out of the back seat? Lindsay's hair looks ugly as usual.
Shut up, what are you gonna play this in my hair?
Oh, fuck. I said Lindsay's hair looks beautiful as usual. Here she comes. Here she comes. Why is she walking like that?
Where did they go? What store is that?
I don't know. She's kind of blocking her shell though. Oh, there's her shell. She's like, ah! She's like, ah! No wonder you guys are looking out the fucking window. You're like, ah! Were you actually scared? Fuck. How'd that make you feel?
You're on candid camera.